Well, that was a pretty bad windstorm we had. My poor sunflowers are blown over. It was super cold last night. It got down to about 46 degrees. And I am so surprised that this watermelon plant did not die. Looks like it's still hanging on. Yeah, it got super cold, but we had a lot of wind on Wednesday. It was the day of my daughter's homecoming parade. Look at this, the whole tomato and pepper structure blew over. Look at that, and the bees are still trying to get in there. This whole thing just blew over. Crazy. Look at the size of these okra. Oh my goodness. You can tell I haven't been out here in a while. My goodness. Hey, can I still use these for like gumbo? Or are these like way too big? Can I still cook these? Or would that not be a good idea? These are super huge. My goodness. Very pretty though. So, yeah, it got really cold last night. Really cold. I need to come out here and harvest the rest of these red tomatoes and clean this out. I got a lot of red tomatoes in there. I didn't realize I had so many. And then some peppers too. Last of the peppers. These are really pretty. Look at that spider in there. Lemon balm. I don't know. I might be able to get some squash still. It was 48 degrees. I'm surprised this stuff is not completely dead out here. Lots of ground cherries to harvest in there. Yep. I haven't looked and see if there's any more peppers over there. But this garden is pretty much done. So let me know what you guys think. Tell me in the comment section below, should I just save these for seed? I mean, I'm definitely going to save some seed, but let me know if I can still cook these okra, or if I should just give it up and go ahead and just let it go to seed. These ones look a little bit lighter, like they might be actually further along. Those ones are darker red, but let me know, can I still cook those? I've never grown okra, so this is my first time, and I would love to be able to save that and use that. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse at some of the damage that I took on because of that windstorm, and pretty much the garden is done. I am not planning a fall garden, so whatever I clean out, I'm going to chop and drop for the most part, as long as it's not diseased. And going to mulch these beds and amend these beds, and then when these leaves start falling from these trees, then I'm going to use those leaves and I'm going to cover this entire garden with leaves, and then whatever leaves I have left I will use, and I will make a leaf mold, and I'll bring you guys along for that. So until next time guys, the more you know, the more you grow. Have a great day.